G'day, here's a parcel of knobby material from Lightning Ridge. It's still encased, a lot of the pieces in this almost concrete, hard, opalised clay. Well, that's what I think it is. It's opalised, it's that hard. Anyway, I'll zoom in a bit so you can have a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. I haven't moved the pieces in relation to each other, so if you want to go back and see a particular piece before I've zoomed in, some of this material, you can see the knobbies are still held in this material. Don't know what you're going to find inside. Might find something extra good, might not. It's a nice piece there. It's a piece of crystal, giving off greens and blue flashes through here. I think the camera might be picking that up a little bit. Nice little green piece there on the end. Whether there's more inside, it's a gamble with this sort of material. You end up with something extra nice perhaps, or just what you see. A little eye of green poking through there. Semi-crystal, the rest of it there, but what's inside? Whether that goes under there, don't know, can't tell. It is being sold as a bit of a gamble, but a lot of people keep asking me for material that hasn't been looked at. Well, this is the closest you're going to get to that because you can't see what's inside it. Nice little crystal eye on the end there. Blues on the end there. Piece of crystal exhibiting purples, blues. So there's a flash coming through there for you. This is a pretty little eye on this other end. Multicolour through here, whether that comes off and that's a stone, I don't know, but appears it possibly could be. It doesn't seem to have a lot in it, but there's a lot of material thickness there that there could be something inside. It's a nice multicoloured piece, pinks and reds. Anyway, we'll leave the rest for a surprise. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.